reef fish. I don't know whether this one is a reef fish, but it doesn't look like a reef fish. It looks like a blue water fish. But any fish is good. I think big for something Yemi must sabe is that Yemi move around na Yemi support him local tourism. Na Yemi share more ideas, believe me, na Yemi collaborate, na Yemi walk bon one time. Yemi halvim Yemi at lo line him loop or something. And also Yemi look sabe lo samplenar lo passing or whale or make him something lo help you yet. This plug can come up lo kind way. I think one plug key one where you can line him where lo village or lo community you can line him nupla way lo cook or nupla way lo fishing technique, nupla way lo build. And plenty kind of application yet inside our community where by come up sa posimo kata walk bon one time. Big for something you sabe also. You move around all different provinces, all different areas within the country. Believe no can think loose, promoting local culture in a way, cooking kai na show him no narblal visitors. Believe me, na even you yet to. You can use some more local greens, vegetables, or kakaruk lopeles, pig meat. Kind fish, you can put him coconut long taso, na smell, na flavor blowing by come up right to us.